Welcome back to the MSU Assessment channel. This video is part of the SPOL Assessment Platform tutorial series and is brought to you by the Institutional Assessment Team at Murray State University. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to associate program learning outcomes with the assessment plan or report. Let's get started. From the SPOL homepage, make sure you selected the correct academic year from the Planning or Reporting Year drop-down menu. Then, click the Assessment module icon. From the Assessment sidebar, click the All Assessments link. You should be redirected to the All Assessments by Program page. Then, select the program name to which you want to link the PLO for the plan or report. For this example, we will use the Underwater Basket Weaving Dummy program. Once redirected to the Program Details page, click the Reviews tab. Next, click the UAC Annual Program Review lane. Then, choose the Program-Assessment Plan lane if you want to link the PLO to the plan. Or choose the Program-Assessment Report lane if you want to link the PLO to the report. Once the response window pane appears, click the Edit orange button. From the text editor, click the cog wheel icon to show advanced options. Then, click the Insert Evidence link. Within the Insert Evidence window pane, click the Outcomes link. Then, click the Add Outcome blue button. When the Associated Outcomes dialog box appears, click the Planning Year drop-down menu and select the correct year based on the plan or report you're working on. For this example, we are selecting 2023-2024. Now, search for your name in the Assessment Coordinator drop-down menu. The list is sorted alphabetically by surname. If you are managing multiple programs, click the Program drop-down menu and select the correct program you're working on to list the accurate program learning outcomes. All existing program learning outcomes of the selected program should then be listed. Select the PLOs that need to be associated with your plan or report. For this example, we are selecting PLO 3. Don't forget to click Save. In the Insert Evidence window pane, you should see the PLO or PLOs you selected. They will be attached to the planning or reporting process narrative as part of the assessment plan or report submission. Finally, click Save again. And there you have it. You just associated a PLO with your assessment plan or report. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to MSU Assessment YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials and updates. Or contact us at msu.assessment@murraystate.edu if you have any questions. For more information about outcomes assessment at Murray State, please visit our website by clicking the About link in the description box below. Happy assessing, and go Racers!